Over century-old Morbi Bridge collapse, toll mounts to 132, 2 missing, search continues in river. Will take necessary measures to ease the water crisis and provide adequate irrigation water to boost crop production this winter season, says Chief Minister N. Minister of State for Civil Aviation V.K. Singh inaugurates operations of 3 flights connecting 5 cities of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur and Mizoram. And Chief Minister, Speaker lead Tsavankot greetings, pray for peace, prosperity. Good evening. You are watching Evening English Bulletin on IS News, and this is Victoria Rajkumari. Now the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said that Manipur is heading forward towards development, including improvement in connectivity with other states, and further appeal to the public to join hands and work together for further development of the state. The Chief Minister was addressing the Rashtriya Ekta Divas observation at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground today. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister expressed his desire to witness seriousness of all state government officials, especially high-ranking officers, during such observations. N. Biren stated that Rashtriya Ekta Divas is observed from 2014 every year on October 31st to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. He continued that every citizen of the country should know the importance of all the observance. He said, as Indians, we all should take such national observations with all seriousness. Today, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, is revered across the world as a world leader because of the respect he and his works are shown by the people of the country, the Chief Minister said. The Chief Minister said that the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme under Prime Minister Narendra Modi has imbibed self-confidence in every Indian. Under the initiative, the country has made many developmental strides, he said, highlighting laying of foundation for aircraft manufacturing facilities at Gujarat, export of fighter planes to other countries, and launching of commercial satellites, among others. Further in his speech, the Chief Minister recalled that the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel during India's freedom struggle and integration of Indian states after attainment of independence. One of the precious gifts to the country was his role in integration of provinces and princely states under the Indian Independence Act 1947 to make united and strong India, the Chief Minister added. Chief Minister N. Biren inspected the March Path Parade and also administered the Rashtriya Ekta Divas pledge for all attending the function. The March Path Parade, led by Parade Commander DYCO 2nd MR and Suraj Singh, was participated by contingents of BSF, CRPF, Combined Manipur Rifles Male, Combined IRB Male, Civil Police Imphal West Male, Civil Police Imphal East Male, 9th IRB Mahila, NCC Boys and NCC Girls. Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha Maharashtra Laisem Basana Jauba, Ministers, MLAs, Chairman of Boards and Corporations, Chief Secretary, Deputy General of Police, Civil and Police Officers, among others, attended the function.
Manipur have a stage they koi pom bagi ngasi koi with dignity Prithvi da jati mani state mani India ki citizen mani na koi am sauthong lebung amin punna minna batam se punna saukhon minna na bokona minna se jati amaga koi respect ong minna se amana ambu namtha ba amana amu dominant ong na bagi wakholo ni koi mind gi lokthok se Manipur hujik fajana mangla satlaba state mani northeast uran gi makha da koi Arunachal Pradesh samna ba hokre flight laikre ngarang Imphal Mizoram koi flight launch Imphal Silchar atuba matamda ekoi leirani adu hoji Arunachal Assam Nagaland Manipur Lairiba Sikkim si mayam je koi interconnectivity.
The death toll in Morbi's suspension bridge collapse rose to 132 on Monday, Gujarat Minister of State for Home Harsh Sanghavi said, adding that rescue personnel are looking for 2 persons believed missing, a media report said. Quote-unquote, the rescue operation is in its last stage in the Machu River. It will be over soon, the minister told reporters. Quote-unquote, as per the latest information, 132 people lost their lives in the tragedy and 2 are still missing, the minister said. The State Information Department said that 5 teams of NDRF, 6 platoons of SDRF, a team of Air Force, 2 columns of Army and 2 teams of Indian Navy, apart from local rescue teams, were involved in the operation that continued through the night. The over a century-old bridge, which had reopened 5 days ago after extensive repairs and renovation, was crammed with people when it collapsed around 6:30 p.m. on Sunday. Sanghavi told reporters at Morbi, around 300 kilometers from the state capital, that the state government has formed a committee to probe the collapse. Eyewitnesses said that there were several women and children on the British-era hanging bridge when it snapped, plunging them into the water below. Some people were seen jumping on the bridge and pulling its big wires, an eyewitness said, adding that the bridge may have collapsed due to the huge crowd on it. Due to the Diwali vacation and being a Sunday, there was a rush of tourists on the bridge, a major tourist attraction. A private operator had carried out the repair work of the bridge for nearly 6 months before it was reopened to the public on the Gujarati New Year Day on October 26th. Chief Minister Nongthavam Biren has assured to take necessary measures to ease the water crisis and provide adequate irrigation water to boost crop production this winter season. The Chief Minister said that the same during the distribution-cum-demonstration program of farm machineries and implements under submission on agricultural mechanization, in short SMAM, at City Convention Centre in Palace Compound today. Chief Minister N. Biren said that a subcommittee comprising experts from relevant departments will be set up to chalk out measures to cultivate crops in the fields at the end of harvesting. He said that the state government has earmarked Rs 80 crore in the state budget to purchase rice paddy produce by the farmers of the state. He further assured to enable effective marketing strategy for the farmers to sell their produces. Emphasizing the significance of the agriculture machineries, N. Biren said that agricultural mechanization will not only enhance overall productivity but provide assistance to farmers in increasing crop yields as well as farmers' income and subsequently improve the economy of the state. He echoed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of self-reliant India and urged the people to partake in the activities to facilitate in achieving the same. Chief Minister Biren also distributed agriculture machineries and implements worth over Rs 29 crore to farmers under SMAM on the occasion.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯟ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯔꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯌꯨꯒꯅꯤꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯇꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯨꯈꯥꯛꯀꯣꯝ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯣꯛꯀ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯗ ꯂꯪꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯕꯦꯖ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯈꯥꯛꯀꯣꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯝꯐꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯂꯦꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯚ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯃꯤ ꯊꯥꯅꯗꯕꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯔꯦꯝꯅꯕꯤ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ.
Speaking at the event, Agriculture Minister Thongam Biswajit said that boosting agricultural productivity will not only save the degradation agricultural lands in the state, but improve the economic condition of the farmers. He highlighted the impacts of using too much chemical fertilizers on environment and human health and urged the farmers to use organic manure and fertilizers instead. He also assured that the Agriculture Department has made necessary arrangements to carry out various forms of agricultural demonstration activities in various districts of the state. Chairman of Hill Area Committee, Dingang Lungangmei, chairman of different boards, MLAs and top officials took part in the event.
The case Mangi, Yellow Posi, Pamanchi, second installment, Pachanduna, Taurakana Yanjabani, and Matangi, and the Kilakada Pokisu of UC, license certificate, submit Taure, Pashadum, Pirani, Habigat to buy good information, Lady Silakumatum, the Sudum, Lemahova, Walova, Mayam, Punamasing, Loidamo, Pananabaki, Agriculture Department, Administrative Secretary Su, and Wamala Pagalun and Akui Siamaga, Akui Zapsana, Agriculture Department, Lajare, have Simba, Tamzaka.
2 new international routes under the Regional Air Connectivity Scheme will be operationalized. Civil Aviation Minister Jyoti Aditya Scindia sat on Sunday after inaugurating 3 flights that will connect 5 cities in the northeast. Scindia, along with Minister of State for Civil Aviation General retired V.K. Singh, inaugurated the operations of 3 flights connecting 5 cities of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur and Mizoram, according to an official release. The flights connecting Imphal, Aizawl, Imphal and Lilabari, Zero Lilabari commence from Sunday, while the services on the Shillong, Lilabari, Shillong route will start from October 31st. These flights have been started under the Regional Air Connectivity Scheme UDAN. Under International UDAN, 2 new routes, Agartala to Chittagong to Agartala and Imphal to Mandalay to Imphal, will be operationalized. This will expand the scope of air connectivity in the northeastern state from national to the international level, Scindia said. Chittagong is in Bangladesh and Mandalay is in Myanmar. The union government has given special emphasis on the air connectivity for the northeast region, he said, adding that in the last 8 years, 7 airports have been developed in the region. Chief Minister Nongthaman Birren extended heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially the Kuki-Chin Mizo Brethren, on the auspicious occasion of Chavangkut. The Chief Minister, in a video message, said Kut marks the end of the harvesting season and it's celebrated to offer thanksgiving to the Almighty for a bountiful harvest. He asserted that it is a festival where the young and old, men and women all join in traditional dances, songs and festivities, adding that the spirit of Chavangkut is about sharing, gratitude and harmonious coexistence. He wished that the festival bring peace, prosperity, unity and strengthen the bond of love among all communities in the state.
Hayeng November gi tang ama bayai faraba sin Kuki Mizo Isilinauk Singi amatangarba kumai good festival lap kaloinana Kuki Isilinauk Sing Mizo Isilinauk Singna state sigi aphaba leibak sigi aphaba apun basaktam da mai wonsan biduna leidiba hawalak lebang asigi mirol naharol singda apun bagi saktam sagana bahona bada nationalism gi wakalon sagana bahona bada festival sigi mari lainana isorna mayam punam mateng pangbo isino sin Kuki Mizo Isilinauk Ngasi nation building da aduga state sigi apun bagi saktam sagana mohana bada lawliba thogdang punamakku sarkar sina madi agi maikei dagi sakhang bagaloina na miyam da thagatpa nungaiba phongdokchari loinana lakadaba punsidasu ekhoi masel mamang sahi manga da ekhoi masel amatoina tanak dinaraga afaba manipur ma santi leiba manipur ma semkibagum matungi sahi manga amadi lakadariba punsigi lehawriba mayam koi amatoina ingni sapna santi leina hingmin bagi wakalon do isona koi punamakta good festival na lakwe roina pibo resanu sin Kuki Mizo Isilinauk Singi sigumba yai faraba nungairaba festival asida ai miyamda yaipa paujal pijari.
Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Settabretta also greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Kut festival. The speaker, in his greeting, said Kut or Chavangkut, which literally means autumn harvest, is celebrated by the tribes of Kuki-Chin Mizo groups of the state. He asserted that the festival is observed to mark the end of the harvesting season and also to thank deities for a good harvest season. The speaker wished that the festival usher in peace, prosperity and harmony among all communities in the state. Meanwhile, Mahot Minister Yumnam Khemchan also extended wishes to the people of the state on the occasion of Kut Festival 2022, which is the post-harvest festival of the Kuki-Chin Mizo tribes. He wished that the festival bring love, peace and prosperity in the state. Meanwhile, a team led by Joel Gangmei, RFO Tamenglong Range, Tamenglong Forest Division and staff along with Tamenglong police personnel arrested 4 persons accused of hunting the migratory bird Amur falcon. The team caught them red-handed with 3 air guns and around 27 dead Amur falcons on the way to Barak River from Chuiluang village around 5 p.m. yesterday. A wildlife offence case has also been registered under Section 9 and 51 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The team also seized the air guns and carcasses of the birds. The offence is punishable under the said sections with imprisonment of up to 3 years or a fine up to 25,000 or with both. All the accused have confessed of the offence and pleaded guilty. Following which, the offence case has been compounded with a sum of 25,000 rupees and the accused have been released with stern warning. Meanwhile, public are complaining that the district administration Tamenglong did not serve official public notification on banning Amur falcon from killing and did not aware them about Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and accused that the DA Tamenglong served notice just on Instagram and Facebook where villages did not have access. With a single-day rise of 1,326 new coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours, India's tally of COVID-19 cases rose to 4,46,53,592. While the number of active cases of the infection has declined to 17,912, which comprise 0.04% of the total infections. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll due to the viral disease has gone up to 5,29,024 with 8 new fatalities. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,41,06,656 with 1,723 recoveries in the last 24 hours. The country's recovery rate has improved to 98.78%. Over 219.63 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the Northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 63 crore 55 lakh, while more than 65 lakh 94,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 61 crore 47 lakh. Globally, United States of America has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. The 147th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and 38th death anniversary of Indira Gandhi were observed in Churachandpur district today. Churachandpur District Congress Committee organized events at Manga Vaipai Sanglan in Red Cross Road. Speaking at the event, President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC K. Megachandra extolled the prodigious roles and contributions of the 2 great leaders for a united India and urged the upcoming youths to follow the idols and footsteps of the 2 great leaders. Former Minister T. Manga Vaipai, Chairman of MPCC's Social Media Department as Malem Khomba, members of Congress Party, among others, were present at the event. Attendees also paid tribute to portraits of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Indira Gandhi.
भारत की सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल हैबसी यामना भारत की इंटीग्रिटी अमसुंग मथौना फबा लेबाकी दमक कथोखिबा अदिगुंबा लीडर अमनी भागसी महाकी सुंग मथौना फबा अमदी कथोखबा इंडिया की अकनबा यूनिटी सागलंबा अदिगुंबा मिसगमा ओइबसिना महागसी भारत की आयरन मैन ऑफ इंडिया हाइना खंगदना भारत की असुंबा यामना अफबा मपारी अमोइना भारत सिनबा तुंगना पाथोई लोइना भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओइबिरंबी श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी महागसिसु लेबागसी यामना मटिंग लेबा मथौना लेबा अदिगुंबा नुपी लक्तगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओइबिरंबी कांग्रेस की लुसिंगबी श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी से महागसिसु लेबाकी दमक्ता यामना कथोकपा amasung yamna thona phaba Prime Minister amani
44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector IGR East organized an oath-taking ceremony followed by a march past in Tamenglong town and a unity run at Azuiram village on the occasion of 147th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The event began from unit headquarters in Tamenglong town where floral tributes were paid to the Iron Men of India by the commandant. A run for unity was also organized for the youths at Azuiram post of the unit. Around 45 students, including 20 girl students, took part in the run, followed by a plate-taking ceremony. Now it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching IS News.
Nungairaba Pausel, Sky Hospital and Research Center Private Limited ta Malim Sinbathunga Sakhangnaraba cardiologist, British Clinical Excellence Award Phanglaba, Dr. Shyam Kishore Lairiking Bamgi Heart ki OPD, Ningthau Kabadagi, Thangja Phauba Yengsari, Matamna Ayuk ki Pung Mapal dagi, Nungthil gi Pung Ama Phaubani, Nongmagi Akaknaba patient Masing Tara Phauba Khak Yengsari, Sor Honba Waba, Thabak Naba, Mihul Chang Naidana Chongba, Kok Ngauba, Oningba na Chingba symptoms Lairaba Miyoi Singna, OPD booking gidamak phone number 8415934236 natraga 7005820192 da call tawbirau aduga heart attack amasung collapse tawraba patient singi damak 24 hours ki emergency service thamjari
Ana Layengi office ki thabak amadi koi bachatpada India ki konung New Delhi da laifam leitabagi awaba koklagani Delhi airport kayam nakna lairiba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam ki damakta laizare Hotel Ambrosia laifam gi oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service laigani restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani nungai raba pau amana Hotel Ambrosia dagi meter chamnarom chatlaga Vishal Mega Mart kilometer ani makhai chatlaga Ambience Mall, GLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungai raba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani ngasi ma contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia A217 Road number 6 Mahipalpur phone number 9643504772.
Welcome back. You are watching Evening English Bulletin on IS News. Now proceeding with other news. Nation paid homage to the unifier of modern India, Iron Men of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his 147th birth anniversary today. Today is also celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Home Minister Amit Shah paid a floral tribute at the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at Patel Chowk in New Delhi this morning. Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena and Union Minister Meenakshi Lekhi also paid tributes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. After the floral tribute, Amit Shah flagged off a run for unity from the National Stadium in New Delhi, in which around 8,000 people took part. Union Ministers A. Jaishankar and Meenakshi Lekhi also present during the event. Speaking at the event, Union Minister Amit Shah said, recalled the immense role and contributions of Sardar Vallabhbhai for the country. He also urged the people to follow the footsteps of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to work for the unity and integrity of the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also proceeded over the Rashtriya Ekta Divas parade at the Statue of Unity at Kevadia in Gujarat today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also paid a floral tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his birth anniversary. Addressing the occasion, Prime Minister said, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is a tribute to the invaluable role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in unifying the nation. He urged the people to refrain from the negative narratives that try to divide the country into the lines of religion, caste and language. Ekta Divas Parade witnessed the participation of contingents of BSF and of 5 state police forces. Apart from the contingents, 6 police sports medal winners of the Commonwealth Games 2022 also participated in the parade. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan flagged off the unity run on the occasion of the Rashtriya Ekta Divas from Delhi University this morning. Special exhibits on the life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was displayed at Jawahar Park, Vice Regal Lodge to commemorate one of the most revered sons of the soil and learn from his life. Lukanan Khetrimayum of Manipur has bagged the first runner-up title at the grand finale of the 14th Mr. International 2022. The event was held in the Philippines last evening. The title of 14th Mr. International 2022 went to Dominican Republic's Manuel Franco during the coronation night held at New Frontier Theatre in Cubao, Quezon City. The 20-year-old in the grand finale said, quote-unquote, winning is about celebrating each other. If you win or lose, if you can celebrate someone's success, that's winning for me. Today I celebrate Dominican's success, and that's success for me. That is how we grow and empower and how we lift the entire world. Winning is not just about becoming the one, but lifting the one up, so we should celebrate like that, quote-unquote. Born to KSH Bimal and Ilangbam Sujata, Lukanan, a model by profession, is also a filmmaker and a YouTuber. He was the grand winner of Ghanaian Men Mega Mr. Northeast, which selected Mr. International India in 2019. Altogether, 35 contestants from across the globe competed for the coveted men's beauty pageant this year. The next edition of the international event will be hosted by Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
I think winning is about celebrating each other. If you win or lose, if you can celebrate someone's success, that's winning for me. Yeah. I celebrate Dominican success, that's a success for me. That's how we grow, how we empower, and how we lift the environment and the entire world. That winning is not just about becoming the one. Winning is about lifting the one up. So we should celebrate like that.
Heartiest congratulations, Lukanan from Iscom team. Proceeding with other news. One large orange a day will give you all the vitamin C you need, according to Annie Wright, Master of Science, Grady Diabetes Science, Research Methods and Data Analysis. Orange helps to maintain the proper function of the immune system, said Felicitas Boche Ocambo, Nutrition Professor, Bachelor's Human Nutritional Sciences. Now the sports news. In ISL League, Jamshedpur FC secured their first victory of the season after beating Northeast United by 1-0 in the Indian Super League ISL at the JRD Tata Sports Complex in Jamshedpur last night. Skipper Peter Hartley scored the only goal as Northeast United recorded their worst ever start to an ISL season with their fourth consecutive loss. The win lifts the Jamshedpur up into 6th place, 6 points off the top with the game in hand. They will travel to Goa for their next match on November 3rd. Northeast remain at the bottom of the table and will return home to host Kerala Blasters on November 5th. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren says state heading towards development, calls on public to join hands and work together for further development. Over century-old Morbi Bridge collapse, toll mounts to 132. 2 missing, search continues in river. Will take necessary measures to ease water crisis and provide adequate irrigation water to boost crop production this winter season, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Minister of State for Civil Aviation V.K. Singh inaugurates operations of 3 flights connecting 5 cities of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur and Mizoram. And Chief Minister, Speaker led Javankut greetings, pray for peace, prosperity. Well, that's all we have in this evening bulletin. Thanks for being with us. We'll be back with more news updates at 8 p.m. Till then, have a great evening.